Today, ladies and gentlemen, if you're starting a blogging and if you don't know how to internal link properly, and if you don't know how to external link properly, and if you don't know how to write SEO articles, okay, worry not, because I have two AI tools. Keep in mind, two AI tools, which is an updated version, latest version, to show you how to take leverage and start producing 50 articles a day and not even worrying about hiring freelancers to write SEO articles for you. Now, with that being said, let me introduce you to the first AI tool. So, which is a bold.new, and it has a 200,000 credits per day, and you can literally write 10 to 20 articles based on the article length, and you can write it for free. Now, you can go ahead and give a simple prompt. This is all free, completely free. You can this is a prompt which I have given. I want you to write a 700 words blog on title Best Travel Adventures to Go on Summer. So this is my blog title, and I told add semantic keywords, LSIs, and proper focus keywords in the article. I want you to also write with proper external links and internal links at possible places to help rank my article at the first page on Google. And also I want you the article to humanize. So for that now this would be the prompt to humanize. Okay, I just added humanize the content by keeping the flow of words simple, not complicated, and with examples. Now I can simply click on enter, and it's gonna write a whole thing with internal linking, external linking, and also humanizing with the flow of words. And you can see it will open up a code editor, but you don't have to freak out, because you can literally copy this entire thing and paste it in custom HTML in WordPress. You don't have to do much of anything. Okay, you don't have to shift all this code. You don't have to worry about why is this putting in a code. It's just a HTML code. Okay, now keep in mind, this will auto internal link. You can see right here, Indonesia.travel, like it is going for high authority articles. Okay, so, and you can also see it is also adding the metadata, which is a good thing. And this like complete the code optimized for SEO ranking. Okay, and there's also external link with tourismthailand.org. So many people visit to Thailand. So yeah, so this is very good way of representing a SEO article. Now it's done, I guess. Now what I'm gonna do is so the best thing about this, guys, you can see right here the meta title, which is a best travel adventures to go on summer ultimate guide 2024, and it has also given meta description embedded in the code itself. Discover most exciting summer travel adventures, tropical island hopping to mountain, whatever, like, right? And what you can do is you can copy this, put it in a rank meta title and description. But what you want to do is you need to copy this entire thing, go to your WordPress account, and after that you need to type in the slash custom HTML. So this one, so if you type in, it's going to open up a dialog box, and you can paste the code here. And if I click on preview, and it will be like this. So I'm going to save a draft and take it to the preview and show you how it looks. Okay, you can also modify it to the title, custom title. So you can see, right, if I hover here, it will show you the internal linking. Okay, it is directly internal linking to nps.gov. So it's like a government site, which is a high authority. So right now you can see it is going to this government page, right? And the Bali, which are internal links to Indonesia.travel, and Krabi, which is a tourism Thailand. So guys, it is doing every single thing. So our comprehensive park guide. So this is internal link to your own site, and you can also write an article, separate article, because it is internal linking. So the thing is this, guys, many people don't know how to internal link or external link properly, but this tool can help you. Okay, you can also even give a customized prompt, like you can give a internal linking separately mentioned and ask it to where the internal link should be. Now I want to introduce you to a second AI tool, which is a journalist AI, which is a very writes article very humanized. Okay, now you can go to the journalist AI dashboard, and under the articles you have option to write SEO articles. And not only that, you can also write for AI news. Okay, so covering up latest updated content, factual content. And also you can click on Amazon, and it will have an option. And if you go to the Amazon, it will have an option to, if you're Amazon affiliate marketer and you would require this Amazon single product review, it will even write a product review based on product like complete blog, and go to the YouTube, and it will have an option to YouTube to blog post. You can simply put a YouTube URL and it will convert into blog post. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the SEO article, show you an example. Now it's going to ask you to input focus keyword and title. My title is best travel adventures to go on summer, and my focus keyword is best travel adventures. So this is my focus keyword, and then I have many options right here, which is our content. So let's go with the content. Inside content you have a language, which is you can select native languages, okay, whichever your blog content is written in, and also targeted country. You can also select any one of these. I will leave it default because I'm targeting United States. And then if you click on show advanced options, and it will give you a slider, okay. So far left it is a correct and factual, far right is a creative and original, but the best thing we can put it in the middle, or maybe you can drag it to the form more creative. So I will leave it in a form more creative and original. Or because my keyword is on best travel adventures, like it includes real places, I'm gonna put it in a correct and factual, okay, far left, okay. Now I can also put it a tone of voice, so I'm gonna give here neutral. You can also put in a prompt like funny, informal, academic, personal, whatever it is. Point of view, I'm gonna put it in a first person perspective, and then formality, automatic. So just that's it. And knowledge, you have to connect to web, guys, because when you're writing factual content, you need to connect to the web to pull the real-time information and factual data. All right. Formatting, if I go to formatting, it's simple: blogs, bold, content, tables, list, quotes, and then structure. So you can also add call to action. So since I do not have any call to action, so I'm just leave it like the default. And then external linking, internal linking. You can also add sitemap. So if you want to internal link, instead of manually adding internal links, you can also embed sitemap. So what it does is when generating the journalist AI, it pulls the data, automatically internal links with the relevant according to the sitemap. And then you have external links, and you have to enable automatic external links, and you can also exclude if you want to exclude any website URLs, and you can also include if you want mandatory external links, okay. And then if I go to the images, you have images, AI images, stock images, custom images. I'm gonna go with the stock images, okay, because my website is filled with AI images, okay. And I can also embed the channel URLs if I want particular videos to be embedded in my blog articles, okay. Now apart from that, I'm gonna click on generate article, and it does that in less than 1 minute. So right now it has added the stock images, and you can see beautifully it's written, okay. So key takeaways, and in the key takeaways I can see it is perfectly mentioning whitewater rafting, hot air balloon, skydiving, all the factual data, okay. So guided tour, safety, and wilderness. So it will add automatic external links and internal links, and best time to visit. It is even adding best time to visit, so that's crazy. So April to October, okay. So which is a human content, and it has even added the example of hot air balloon videos, how it looks, and is even adding the getting certified, okay, while going to scuba diving because it's a risk taking. And you can see this article is very well, okay. It's 90% good, okay. The 10% comes with making sure everything is good, spelling mistakes, etc., and you can directly post to WordPress, whatever integration, okay, Shopify, WordPress, whatever it is. You can connect to the this journalist AI, and you directly post to whatever CMS software you are using. And if I go back and click on the article and I click on edit with AI and see the magic, guys. So this is a by far favorite tool out of all AI SEO writers which I have seen. Now let's say I didn't like this, I didn't like this paragraph, okay. Now what I can do is I can select this, and it will prompt me 3 options. 1, rewrite; 2, add keywords; and add links. Now I can click on rewrite, and I can choose to make longer or make shorter. So let's say I'm gonna make it longer, and it's gonna do that for me, okay. So within seconds it's gonna do that for me, and I can simply accept the changes. Now I can also add external links or internal links. I can go on add external links, and it will read the paragraph, and it will auto fetch whatever the best external link. I don't know if you're seeing this. Let me zoom out my screen. Yeah, So you can see it is auto suggesting me the best anchor text external links included with URL for the specific word. Now I can simply click on tick marks. I can check this box and that's it. So this is the best SEO writing tool, AI SEO writing tool, Humanizer. Okay, so and you can auto publish. There's also blog automation, which I'm going to show you in another video. So that has a specific, that is a specific domain. Automation is a specific thing which is gonna take 1 hour. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in the next video. So leave the comment if you want me to make video on blogging automation. Okay, AI blogging automation. I'm gonna do that for you. I've leave one of my popular videos on blogging and SEO in the links, so I want you to check that out, and I'll leave the links to both of these tools. I want you to check out and catch you on the next one. Subscribe, like.